Hello everyone, welcome to today's English lesson. In this lesson, we will learn how to talk about when and how often people do things. Are you ready? Let's start with when we do things. We use words like in the morning, at night, on Mondays, or after school to talk about when something happens. For example, I wake up in the morning, she studies at night, they play soccer on Sundays, he goes to the gym after school. Easy, right? Now, let's talk about how often we do things. We use words like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never to talk about frequency. Let's look at some examples. I always brush my teeth in the morning. She usually eats breakfast at 7 a.m. They often go to the park on weekends. He sometimes watches TV at night. We rarely eat fast food. She never drinks coffee. And that's all you need to practice. Now let's see people's daily routines.
Hi, I'm Kimiko, and today I'm going to tell you about my daily routine. I always wake up at 7 a.m. After I wake up, I usually get dressed and have breakfast. I never skip breakfast because it's important. Then, I usually leave for school at 8 a.m. At school, I sometimes have a break in the morning, and I often study with my friends. I always pay attention in class because I want to learn as much as I can. At lunchtime, I often eat with my classmates in the cafeteria. In the afternoon, I usually have more classes, and after school, I sometimes go to the library to study or do my homework. In the evening, I usually relax and watch TV, but I always make sure to finish my homework before bed. I never stay up too late because I need to wake up early the next day. That's a typical day for me. Thanks for listening.
Hello, I'm Sujin, and today I'll tell you about my daily routine as a football player. I always wake up at 6 a.m. After I wake up, I usually go for a quick run to warm up. I never skip my morning workout because it helps me stay in good shape. At 8 a.m., I usually have breakfast with my teammates. We often talk about the game and our training. At 9 a.m., we start practice. I always give my best during training because I want to improve every day. After practice, I sometimes go to the gym to work on my strength. I usually have lunch at 1 p.m. and in the afternoon, I often watch videos of past matches to learn from them. In the evening, I usually relax and spend time with my family. Before bed, I always make sure to stretch to keep my muscles strong. That's a typical day for me. Thanks for listening.
Great job, everyone. Keep practicing and you will improve your English. If you liked this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.